The COVID-19 pandemic has confirmed what workers already know. America's economy and democracy are out of balance. SEIU members and Fight for 15 activists are leaders in our workplaces and communities. And in this crisis moment, we're coming together and calling on elected officials and corporations to secure the health, safety, and economic well-being of all workers, regardless of immigration status. We're raising our voices to demand that the Trump administration provide personal protective equipment for all frontline workers.
They gave us the N95 mask and told us to maintain it. Just let it air dry and then put it back in the Ziploc bag for the next day.
As I watch our PPE supplies dwindle, I'm concerned that I will not be protected and I will bring this deadly virus home to my aging mother who has COPD.
During this epidemic, this huge crisis, I'm not going to let it stop me. I'm here for my patients. All I ask is that we are provided the correct PPE and the essential supplies that we need.
We went up in there, we passed out the petition, and we mean what we mean. We want isolation gowns, we want everything that they're offering. We need it for our life.
I want to bring in Mary Kay Henry. She's the president of the Service Employees International Union, which is the nation's largest union of healthcare workers and also represents airport and service employees.
President Trump has a choice. He can take direct action, get manufacturers pumping out the supplies we need.
We're calling for an end to the racism and xenophobia that puts people of color and immigrant communities disproportionately at risk.
Experiences of racism has intensified with the coronavirus.
We're telling corporations to pay their fair share, to fund emergency childcare for frontline workers, to make permanent investments in the public services we all rely on, and put an end to overcrowding and understaffing in our nation's correctional facilities. We're calling on employers to put workers first, with fully funded and accessible health care for every worker in America, including paid leave and 100% paid testing and treatment for COVID-19, with job, wage, and economic security for every worker. We demand that corporations invest in the health and safety of all workers. And we'll make sure elected officials put working families at the center of every relief package. We'll continue to raise our voices for all workers of all races, today and always.